One of the things you should know if you're trying to use Yellowdig for the first time is that real communities and the relationships they foster really take a little bit of time to form. So, in Yellowdig, what we often see is that students come in, maybe it's their first time using the platform, they're not familiar with it at all. There's a little bit of a break-in period just getting used to a new technology. The other thing that we see is that, nobody really likes current discussion forums, but everybody really knows the rules. They know the formula for success. You do your post, you do your 2 comments, you get your grade. And Yellowday can take people out of their comfort zone a little bit, especially if it's used in exactly, the way that we suggest, which is to allow them a lot of freedom. That freedom is something that is not really that common in learning environments, unfortunately. And students sometimes don't know how to react. So one thing that you can do to help foster community and help get it going in the beginning is to provide just a little bit more structure. Post some more ideas about things that students can do. Model more of the behaviors that you want to see at first, and then sort of slowly back away as they pick up the ball and run with it. Because of this sort of slow start that we sometimes see, and honestly, the hardest part about any conversation is getting it going, is that, there's a shift as people get used to the technology. So this data on this slide is from one partner that gave a survey in week 1 and in week 9. And you can see that there's a shift from sort of neutral or negative feedback about Yellowdig to highly positive feedback. And that's something that we've started to pay attention to and notice with some of our other partners. So one of the things that we recommend is that if you want to just try Yellowdig, do it for more than 1 week. Do it for a couple of weeks and give it a real try and see that shift. Because once the community starts forming and it actually builds, that's when the magic really happens. You have to give it time to do that.